When you take a photo with the iPhone 16 Pro Max, it typically captures the image at 24 megapixel by default. However, you can adjust the settings to utilize the full 48 megapixel capability of the camera. Here's how to do it. To get started, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, select Camera from the list of options. In the camera settings, tap on Formats to access additional options. Here, locate the option, ProRAW and Resolution Control. Tap the slider next to it to enable this feature. If you tap on the next option, Pro Default, you will notice that the format is set to ProRAW Max, up to 48 megapixel. Now, exit from Settings and launch the built-in camera app. Before taking the photo, locate the RAW Max option at the top of the screen. Tap on it to enable 48 megapixel image capture. Now, take a photo, and then view the details of the photo by opening it from your Gallery or Photos app. You will then see that the photo has been captured with the 48 megapixel camera. Keep in mind that, each time you open the camera app and want to take a 48 megapixel photo, you will need to enable the RAW Max option at the top of the screen. So that's how you can capture 48 megapixel photos on iPhone 16 Pro Max.